How to know if someone is busy on Snapchat call. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can know if someone is busy on Snapchat call. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, now you have to navigate to your friends list. That's basically going to take you to your Snap or chat page. From here, you have to select that specific contact that you would like to make a call to. After that, try to call that person, and as soon as you do that, you will not be able to make a call to that person, and after a certain time, you will get a notification at the top saying that the person is not available to join. After that, if you try to contact some other friends in Snapchat, you will be able to make a join. That means the previous account that you have tried to contact is busy on Snapchat call. So that's the way to know if someone is busy on Snapchat call. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.